3, go.
Hey guys, welcome to our green factory, also known as the happy birthday story of Mr. Oxygen and Mrs. Glucose. Once upon a time, in a far-off plant lived a happy cell that included a chloroplast named Chlorine. Chlorine was a very responsible chloroplast, and she had many different personalities and parts to her. She was princess of her cell because she had a very important and crucial job to do. This job was done using her special parts and personalities. This job kept the people of her cell alive as it provided them with food. This food gave them energy and power. She dreamed of making her kingdom the brightest cell of them all, which was ironic considering they got this energy from the sun. She was raised in a very tiny environment because to carry out her world's life processes, the cell had to be able to quickly pass substances into and out of the cell. Because she was extremely busy, she couldn't have any friends. To make up for this, she was very close to the parts in her, starting with the light.
A long, long time ago, a little star grew up to become a supernova. Hey guys, I'm Joseph the Light. I keep you warm and happy. I'm the essential element to begin what we all know as photosynthesis. I don't have any brothers. I'm the only one. I was taught how to direct myself into Earth and into the luli, the light reactor, which is located in the chloroplast inside a plant. I'm gonna go in.
Hey guys, it's me, Luli, the light reactant. After Anna, NADPH, comes in, I will give the energy light gave me, and it will facilitate its transport to the Calvin cycle. Therefore, I will break Alan, the bipolar electron, and hydrogen and Clary oxygen. Let's go in.
Hello, I am Clary Oxygen. I'm one of the most important waste products in the world. Without me, animals, people, and plants couldn't breathe. I go in with hydrogen and we become water. Then we separate and I leave.
Hello, I'm hydrogen and I carry help in this process. When our cells break down the sugar, the glucose obtained from the food we eat, the goal is to take the energy stored in the sugar and somehow change it into the very desirable ATP energy. I also carry like NADPH and NADH in plants.
Hi, I'm Alan the bipolar electron. Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. That's why they call me bipolar. I have two brothers, protons and neutrons. My dad's hydrogen and my grandfather's water. I help fuel photosystem 2 when it is missing an electron, and I help fuel the Calvin cycle.
Hi, I'm Patricia ATP, a very happy and active molecule when I have my three phosphates. I help to make glucose in the process of photosynthesis. My role in photosynthesis is to give energy to other molecules so they can continue their jobs. And when I give energy away, I stay sad and depressed because I stay with one less phosphate. But then I am recharged again, I am happy again, and I can continue my job.
I am Penelope, the inorganic phosphate. My mom is phosphorus and my dad is oxygen. My whole family lives in a house called phosphoric acid. I am cousin with adenosine. She has 2 more children, and together we are a happy family called ATP and share good moments with NADPH. We love sunshine, and when the sun is present, we are always happy. However, when the sun is not present, I get depressed and spend time with my best friend, hydrogen. Every time that there is not sunlight, I get separate with leaving my cousin with his 2 children. What makes me happy is spend time with my friends and make glucose. However, my goal is to always be happy family. When the sun returns, I get back with my cousin and she with his 2 children begin again ATP.
Hi, I am Anna, the NADPH, and I take energy and move it to the Calvin cycle, or the Candy
factory of the carbon cycle. Many people call me as a methacarbolic pathway found in the stroma of the chloroplast. I spend ATP as an energy source and consume NADPH as reducing power and for adding high energy electrons to make sugar. I have three types of phases. In phase 1, carbon dioxide is included into 5 carbon sugars named ribulose biphosphate. And in phase 2, reduction is made. ATP and ADPH from light reactions are used to convert 3-phosphoglycerate to glycerylhydrate 3-phosphate. The 3 carbohydrate pressures to glucose and other sugars. In phase 3, generation is made. More ATP is used to convert some of the pooled glycerylhydrate 3-phosphate back to RUBP, which means completing of the cycle. And lastly, the light reaction sustain the Calvin cycle by regenerating the ATP and ADPH.
Hi guys, I'm carbon dioxide. I'm one of the simplest and commonest molecules in the universe. The way plants get carbon is by breathing in carbon dioxide and breathing off the oxygen, in which they then breathe out again. So the carbon in the carbon dioxide is what all plants are made of. When a plant dies or decays or burns, the carbon in it returns to the air, where it's mixed with oxygen to become carbon dioxide again. The atmosphere isn't the only part of the earth that has carbon. The ocean stores large amount of carbon, and so do plants. Soil, deposit of coal, oil, and natural gas deep underground. Carbon naturally moves from one part of the earth to another through the carbon cycle.
Hey guys, I bet you know me. I'm the energy pump that helps you work every day, Mr. G Sweet Rush. First of all, I'd like to talk to you about how my sweet brothers and I compose the 3 dietary monosaccharides. My brothers are fructose and galactose, and together with me, we are the main building blocks of carbohydrates. Your trillions of cells also use me for energy when directly absorbed during digestion into your bloodstream during cellular respiration. I also tend to exist in different molecular structures, and that is why I have a twin brother who is like a mirror image of me, since we are stereoisomers. His name is L-glucose, and he's pretty shy, as he hardly likes to be in nature. On the other hand, I am D-glucose, basically a carbohydrate that is found in your everyday plants. Moving on, there are my other dear family members, who are starch and cellulose, since they're polymers that come from me, the D-glucose, when I dehydrate, and that actually pretty sucks. In any case, I also have multiple parents who are ATP and NADPH, since they make me with their chemical energy stored in their bonds, carbon dioxide and light energy, as all of them help me create me during the Calvin cycle. The weird thing is that I also help create ATP during cellular respiration, so I guess we are a pretty bizarre family. In any case, I think that's enough about my family, so how about we move to my friends? My very best friend is the chloroplast, and that is because it is a chamber for the Calvin cycle, which creates carbohydrates like me. In addition, other long-life friends of mine are in the chloroplast are the stroma, photosystem, and thylakoid membranes, which capture light energy and are also the structures that help a very important phase and friend of mine called light reactions. Lastly, a fellow mate that has always been giving me his 100% during my creation, although he's viciously cut apart, is H2O, as he even oxidizes himself to lose electrons for my sake. Next thing I would like to talk about is about my upbringing, and since the day I was born, I saw how tall my parents, ATP and NADPH, were both energy-carrying molecules who had the same purpose as I did, being used for energy. From then on, I was constantly taught that my job as glucose was to store and carry energy, as I was often kept as starch and always regarded as the universal food for life. And from then on, I also experienced moments that changed my life forever, since I was used by all types of organisms, from bacteria to humans, as a key source of energy. Man, I was sure popular. In addition, when I was introduced to the process of cellular respiration, all of the cells in an organism made me react with oxygen in order to make carbon dioxide, water, and energy in form of ATP. From then on, my memories fade away, but then I realize how I have to participate in the cycle all over again, and how I am a crucial factor upon providing and storing energy for most of the organisms in this world.
The end.
Yay!
Yay!